Hello guys, welcome to my fashion tutorial. Today we are going to see how to make checked t-shirt. Let us see what are the products I use. First I am taking Camlin brush pen. The next Uniball white gel pen. Black color Stedler pigmented liner. You can use any liner you want. And I am taking Baristo twin color alcohol black marker and a Apsara pencil. With these, let us see how can we make a checked t-shirts. First, I will teach you how to do a checked t-shirt in a normal way. Then I will tell you how to do it in a garment. First, let us take a marker or a base color which we are going to use. And always remember, you have to use the marker in the same direction. You should not go in a zigzag direction. It can either be up to down or left to right or right to left, but not in the zigzag manner. Applying base in the same direction will create you a flawless illustration. So I recommend all you to do the whole illustration in the same direction. Now I'm going to take the marker and I'm going to do the base color in the same direction. Now I'm taking black alcohol marker. You can take any marker you want and you're going to create a check the designs on your desired length. You can go with any length you want. You can go with any size you want. I'm fast forwarding the video. If you want, you can go to your setting and control your playback time and see the clear version of it. After creating the check, I am going to take a fine liner and again I am going to make a small check in the designs to create the flawless checked design t-shirts which we have. And then I am going to take a white gel pen and I am going to do the designs in the black marker. Now I am going to transfer this design into this t-shirts. So let us see how we render it. I am going to color the base with the same color we used in the previous design. I'm going to go with the same direction like I always told, like going in the same direction will create you the best illustration out there. Now I'm taking the black marker and I'm going to do the stripes or the check in my desired length. I'm just going it in the random. I'm not going in the measurement like 2 inch 3 inch. I'm not going with the measurement. I'm just going in the random. As you know, fashion illustration has no point or a step that should be followed. It's upon to our creativity, so you can just trust your insist and just go with the flow. And I'm going to just copy and paste the same process designs in this, but I'm going to do in the two different ways. Like you can see, in one sleeve I gone with the straight lines, while the other sleeves will go in the crisscross line. I wanted to show the two different ways how we can do the same pattern in the two different ways. That's why I'm going with different concepts. After completing the designs, now I'm going to take the same base color and I'm going to create the folds. As you can see, I'm creating the folds in the handcuff and in the shoulders and in the waist part and where the buttons will come. I'm just going to highlight and show it so the illustration will look perfect and it will be so realistic. I'm taking a black color pencil and I'm going to highlight the button areas, the pocket areas and the collar. So it will show the folds in more highlighted way. After creating the folds, the highlights and shadows, now I'm going to take my white gel pen and I'm going to draw the check design where we did the previous design. As you can see now, again I'm going to show the two different ways. Like in one side I have only applied the white marker from up to down and not from right to left, whereas in the other side I have applied in the both ways. You can create whatever designs you want. You can add designs, you can subtract designs, it's definitely up to you. And this is how I made my checked t-shirts. Just comment below, like and follow us for more tips. Bye.